In this video, I'm going to show you how to get fuel in Once Human. So this is by far the easiest and the quickest way to get fuel for your vehicles in Once Human. Now, as you can see, once you drive along these bigger main roads down the map, whatever it is, it can be anywhere in the map, you will find different crashed cars, okay? And inside those crashed cars, in most of them, you can walk up to their trunks and click F to open the car trunk, and then in there you'll be greeted with portable mixed fuel. Now you of course want to claim as much of this as possible, and once you do that, the first things first, you can fuel your bike or your vehicle by pressing G, walking up to it, and you can use the portable mixed fuel to actually fuel the tank. So the full tank would only require like 24 of it, so you can get it pretty fast. However, if you want to get a premium quality fuel, so the fuel we're actually talking about, you want to go back to your base, which I'm going to do right now in a second over here. And in here, you want to get yourself a fuel refinery. Now, to get this, you want to unlock it inside the Matic screen, which you can get inside the infrastructure. I'm going to show you in a second. There we go. You open up the I to open up your inventory, and you want to go to Mematics. Want to click on Mematics yet again. You want to go to infrastructure, scroll down here, and look for fuel refinery. As you can see, it's here to the left. You want to unlock this, and once you unlock it, this will give you kind of a refining facility, okay? And once you get the refining facility, you can then refine fuel basically. Now you will need a generator for this because it needs a power source, so it's a bit more advanced, but this thing looks something like this. So it's a refining facility. You then come to it and click F to refine, and as you can see, you can then convert portable fuel by basically you will need to deposit it in there, and as you can see, it will start in an hour. Basically you will get fuel, okay? So the one in the container, the one we're looking for. But yes, if you want to power up your bike, it's pretty simple. You can just use this fuel you get inside the trunks, so the portable mixed fuel. It works completely well, and you don't really need this refining facility early in the game if you only need fuel to power your bike. So that's pretty much it. That's how to get fuel in Once Human. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to this channel and help me out as well.